Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel JD Cars and Bikes. For getting and rid of a used cars like this, all you need to do is subscribe my channel and get that notification bell icon on. So today we are standing near Zen Estilo, and it's an 2006 single owner used vehicle. Now the purchaser will be the second owner. I have mentioned all the contact details with the price and the Google map link in the description box below. Go and check it out once. It will be very easy for you all to reach here. And it's a VXI variant. Comes with 4 power window, power steering and the AC. And it has 2 keys with a 2 remote. So as you can see, it's have been maintained very good condition. There is some damages over there on its body. So this is the condition of this car. I will show you the tire life of this car. It's around 80 to 90%. So tires also, it's in very good condition, and this tire size comes with 145/70 R13, which is all 5 tires are of 13 inches. And coming on to the rear door pad, we get a power window switch, as it's a VXI variant. So the rear door also we get a power windows, and it's a power window switch and the grab handle with the lock and unlock lever with a speaker. And there's a seat rear seat over here. It's not we don't get any armrest over here. We just get a headrest, and it's a adjustable one. Moving on to the co-driver side seat door, we get again a power window switch and the lock and unlock lever with the grab handle, and with some storage space and a speaker over there. And this size of boot space we get in this car. At here we get a rear stepney. And now moving on to the engine. Some minor damages are there in this car, as in its body. There is a slight dent over here. It's the first one. And this front bumper and this fender and the door need to get repaint or tinkering. And this rear bumper too. Except that there is no accidental vehicle in this. And it's a sealed engine vehicle. There is no major damages on this car, and this car has covered around 1,24,405 kilometers till now. No meter tampering or no reversing done on it. And you get a RPM meter over there and a speedometer over here with a temperature switch and the fuel gauge over there. So it's a temperature gauge. I told about a temperature switch. And coming on to the dashboard, we get a 4 AC vents over here, and the AC is also very powerful in this car. At the rooftop we get 2 sunshades, and at the co-driver side we get a mirror, and at the driver side we don't get any mirror. And this is a reading light over here, and this size of glove box you get in this car with the infotainment system, and it's a Pioneer brand. And you get AC controllers over here with the cup holder, and it's a single cup holder over here, and there's a coin holder too. And you get in the center console you get a 5-speed manual gear lever with a reverse gear and a handbrake lever. And this lever is for controlling the wipers, and this lever is for controlling the headlights and the indicators. And you get the electronic ORVM adjustment, side view mirror adjustment. You can adjust from here from this switch. And at the driver side seat door we get a 4 power window switches, and it's an auto oven. For one switch it can go down, and for one switch it can't go up. It lock and unlock lever with the grab handle and the speaker over there with a storage space. And that's it. If you like the video, then please hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.